Does it all with an energy-efficient LED light. Its modern 3-blade design is suitable for indoors and covered porches alike. Switching between the fan's 3 speeds is a breeze with the included handheld remote. And like all Casa fans, the motor includes a limited lifetime warranty, so you can enjoy it today, tomorrow.
So the Casa, it looks perfect in modern spaces, it looks perfect in traditional spaces. These fans are damp rated, which means you won't ever have to deal with kind of those droopy blade issues that you might see on other outdoor fans. If you need a simple, no-light fan that's a great value that you can trust to last a long time, this is the perfect fan. We wanted to put our best-selling fan in there, the Dempsey. We've got a brand new finish of it. It's brushed nickel with the gray wash blades. It can go in any room. We think it's going to be a people pleaser.
The Haiku L is a great option for any of those smaller spaces, your bedrooms, your spare bedrooms, your office spaces. This is available in 2 diameters, 44 and 52 inch, 2 colors, white and black, and is our most economically priced option so that you can ensure to outfit your whole home with Haiku Big Ass Fans products.
Discover the refreshing versatility of the Turbina fan from Casa. Its modern 3-blade design is suitable for indoors and covered porches alike. It comes in bronze and is also available with a variety of light options. Switching between the fan's 3 speeds is a breeze with the included handheld remote. And the motor includes a limited lifetime warranty.
All our fans are wet rated and made from highly durable materials, so you can turn them on wherever or whenever you want, indoors and out. Nearly every fan has an LED luminaire dimmable to 1% or better. These lights are outstanding in their own right, but packed inside a Modern Form smart fan? That's just unfair. A radio frequency, RF wall unit, comes with every fan for instant everyday control. And you can operate your fan with the exclusive Modern Forms app, which connects over Wi-Fi. That means you can control your fan whether you're at home or halfway around the world. Like using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant at home? You can control the Modern Forms smart fan with voice commands to most enabled devices. How about a smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee? The smart fan can sync up with your HVAC unit to save energy in summer and winter. Inside every smart fan is a 6-speed DC motor, which runs 70% more efficient than AC. And it's much, much quieter. The only sound you'll hear is the air whispering through the room. All the finishes have an elevated look and feel, and are highly weather resistant, whether it's distressed koa, carbon fiber, or an automotive silver as sleek as a Maserati. Modern Form smart fans revolve around you, your tastes, your schedule, your life.